Now look at it. Can you see yourself?
Yes.
Okay, wait. Hold it both. Hold it. Okay, go ahead and can you snap a picture? Okay, there's another way I want to show you. Press that button. You just took another picture now. Could you hold it? Can you look at the camera when you do it? Yeah, I'm going to try to take a picture of me looking up at the drone. Okay, Dylan, thank you. Okay, now Dylan, see if this works right. Into the F mode. Load in. Do you want to start the mission? Yeah. Uploading the mission.
2 meters distance.
Here it goes.
Started.
Look, Dylan. Okay, hold on to this. Just watch it go. See where it's gone? Can you see above you? It's trying to go over the field. You see it go over the field that way?
15 meters distance.
See where it is up there?
Yeah.
And then it's recording, it's looking at the field down there. That's what it sees. It sees birds and everything. And it's above the power lines. That's good, because those lines could catch it.
63 meters distance.
Okay, it's going to turn around. See, it's over top of the fields now. Now it's going to the other part of the field. And it's going way up here to that number 2 point near the farmer.
98 meters distance.
Going near the farmer's field. Now it's almost over top the road. See where it is near the road there?
Yeah.
And it should turn. It shouldn't go over top the farmer's house. It should turn and start to go up to number 3.
What number 2 is?
It's pretty far away.
144 meters distance.
Wow.
Good.
Watch what's going to come back. You think it's going to come back?
Where?
I got to turn down the camera because it's picking up
Where are you going?
157 meters distance.
over there. See by the trees?
And when you're landing it?
It's good we're this high because it's slightly above the trees. But those trees are pretty high.
And when you're landing?
162 meters distance.
Now it should be coming back to us. Now it's coming across to the field to your left.
$138 meters distance.
This home.
No,
Why?
because I don't want it to go home yet. I want it to come across the field here and then come back towards home.
Where?
Okay, now can you get out without...
112
Get out
meters
without...
distance.
Dylan, when you get out, you have to hold the phone. So don't let it drop out of your pocket. Be careful when you get out. Now it's going to start coming back. You push the door shut?
Where you going?
3 meters distance.
Oh, it's really feeling the wind now. Here it comes. Dylan, you want to see if it can find us? Ja, tschüss. Bring it down to it. Can you see it, Dylan? It's going to come towards you. And now look, it's right at you.
Land.
It's going to land at you. Yeah, like it. See it now?
Yeah.
Coming down. It's going to come down now, okay? Okay, drone, you can land. Bye, drone. That was a good flight, Dylan.